life can be a wonderful vegan adventure where nothing gets hurt. Once again, we're returning to one of our favorite dishes that just happens to be vegan, a 3-bean salad. Now remember, it's just called a 3-bean salad. By the time you're done and you add all your ingredients and the things that you want to add, it could be a 3 or 4 or 5-bean salad. We're going to be working with some cut green beans. We have a jar of roasted red peppers. We have some garbanzo beans, cannellini beans, kidney beans. We've got some apple cider vinegar, which is very good for you. I love red wine vinegar, so we're going to have some of that, and a dash of white vinegar. So 3 different kinds of vinegar make the magic potion. And we're going to just add just a little bit of avocado oil. We've got celery and fresh dill, red onion, and 2 fresh beets that we just cooked, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let the magic begin. We're going to cut up this beet. I've never had beets in a 3-bean salad, but sounds like a good idea to me. When you take a little bit of extra time and cut this stuff small, it's better. We are onion freaks. What I've found with food processors, it just cuts everything into small little shards and eventually just turns to a mush. If you guys know any ways to dice easily in a food processor, be sure to let me know. I'd be very interested. Snack while you're doing. No 3-bean salad is complete without fresh dill, in my opinion. We've got tons of it here, so just pick it. Fresh dill is just unbelievable. Okay, now we have to drain and rinse all these cans of beans, and to save time, we're going to do it all at once. Most people know that canned vegetables in general have a lot of salt in them. So what we do is we drain them and rinse them, and that washes about 1/3 of the salt out of them. Isn't that pretty? We decided there's too much oil in here, so we're going to drain this as well, but not rinse it. Those look delicious. You know, looking at this pile of red peppers, I can't help but think about the documentary that solidified me in this movement a long time ago called Dominion. It's directed by a guy named Chris Del Force. It's on YouTube. And what he does is he goes into slaughterhouses and surreptitiously captures video of exactly what's happening behind the cement walls of a slaughterhouse. And it is horrifying. These are the heroes of our movement. And that is a huge reason of why I'm here today. I've lost 50 pounds. I'm in the best shape of my life, and we're making beautiful, healthy, delicious, no death food. I'll show you the perfect amount of this. There it is. Just for fun. 3 bean and 3 vinegars. And why is vinegar so healthy for you? Leave a comment. Love to know. If you're using oil, I'm told this is a good one to use, and it withstands high heat. Just a little bit for flavor, but not too much. Doesn't that look yummy and pretty? And nothing died. Wishing you much love, and we hope that you're enjoying your own vegan adventure.